Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez, and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, January 28. Government will be pumping an additional $60 million into cleaning up communities to control the mosquito population and reduce the spread of dengue fever. Prime Minister Andrew Holness made the announcement on the weekend during the National Dengue Cleanup. He said the funds would be disbursed to each constituency for environmental maintenance.
So we're giving each constituency now an additional $500,000, and then we're going to use some amount directly by the National Solid Waste to target some specific areas.
Prime Minister Holness pointed out that the Health Ministry had allocated a further $50 million to assist councillors with their vector control programs. The funds will be channeled through the Ministry of Local Government and Community Development.
The strategy for dealing with these kinds of environmentally related diseases is the public health route, the environmental management route. Critical to the environmental management is to get every single Jamaican to become environmentally conscious.
The theme of the National Dengue Cleanup, Mosquito Wanted Dead, Not Alive, will be maintained up to Labor Day in May. Meanwhile, the Ministry of Health and Wellness's Public Health Department is now in receipt of 40 vector control vehicles. Worth $400 million, the fleet is equipped with vector control tools such as fogging equipment. The vehicles will be distributed to the 4 regional health authorities.
Today represents another tangible manifestation of the renewal of public health in Jamaica. This government is on a mission to renew, to rebuild, and to make more effective our public health infrastructure.
In the meantime, Prime Minister Andrew Holness says Cabinet will be briefed on the island's preparedness to handle any cases of the novel coronavirus, which originated in China.
When it comes to health threats, the government is taking no chance. We're taking no risk. We're trying to be fully prepared. So we're not just investing in the fleets here. We're also going to be doing major upgrades and in some cases building new hospital facilities.
In other news, the Jamaican-based Global Tourism Resilience and Crisis Management Center has donated $100,000 to the Bahamas to assist with hurricane relief. The funds were handed over last Tuesday by Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett while he was attending the Caribbean Travel Marketplace in the Bahamas. The money is to help the Bahamas deal with the impact of Hurricane Dorian last year, as well as for the development of the Disaster Risk Resilience and Readiness Assessment in the Caribbean Tourism Sector Study. The donation was drawn from the Global Tourism Resilience and Crisis Management Center's Relief Fund for supporting tourism-ravaged economies impacted by disruptions, including natural disasters and pandemics. Category 5 Hurricane Dorian ravaged the Bahamas last October, causing severe flooding and destruction, especially in the Abaco and Grand Bahama Islands. 29 days of diverse island-wide activities are lined up for this year's staging of Reggae Month in February under the theme Come Catch the Rhythm. Flagship activities include Children of the Icons and Emerging Artists series, as well as reggae films in the park and the Jaria Honors Awards. Culture and Entertainment Minister Olivia Grange says new on the agenda is an exhibition titled Jamaica, Jamaica. It's to be mounted at the National Gallery on February 2 and remain open for 6 months.
Each staging of Jamaica, Jamaica will have unique artifacts that have not been seen at each exhibition. So that is something that will be very exciting and that will attract international attention.
Minister Grange was speaking at a JIS think tank on Friday. She says another new and exciting feature is Echoes of the Sound System.
For the first time, we are putting a bank of sound systems in the indoor center and the National Arena. And we are calling that Echoes of Sound System. Now, you know, the sound system was at the base and the roots of the music, where when we could not promote live music, we were able to use the sound system to build a vibe in the dance hall. And on that, we built the whole evolution of our music. So sound system Echoes will be bringing the old and the new.
The event is slated for February 15 and will run from early evening until morning. Still on Reggae Month, an app is now activated to keep reggae lovers abreast of events throughout the period. The Ministries of Entertainment and Tourism collaborated to develop the new interactive app, which is available for download on Android and iOS devices.
It carries information on all the events, and it also provides an opportunity for promoters and other entities as well as individuals, if they are promoting an event for Reggae Month, they can have access to this app and be able to get their activity also promoted.
To download the app, persons can search the words Reggae Month Jamaica in the Google Play or App Store. Reggae Month is commemorated annually in the month of February and is being organized by the Ministries of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport and Tourism in collaboration with several stakeholders. And finally, 10,000 revelers and about 25,000 spectators are estimated to participate in this year's staging of Carnival in Jamaica. This will be an increase of 2018's figures of about 6,000 revelers and approximately 15,000 spectators. Carnival in Jamaica will culminate with a road march on Sunday, April 19. Culture Minister Olivia Grange says various government bodies continue to work with private entities to ensure the efficient and successful staging of Carnival in Jamaica.
Carnival in Jamaica offers employment to the creatives, to artists, entertainers, bands, sound and light technicians, videographers, photographers, costume designers, etc. And so it's not just about fun, but it's also about creating employment.
Minister Grange was speaking at the recent 2020 launch of Carnival in Jamaica held at the AC Hotel by Marriott in Kingston. Through the Ministries of Culture and Tourism, in 2017, a partnership was developed with the promoters and bands of Carnival in Jamaica. So far, approximately $10 million has been allocated to the Culture Ministry to advance cultural entertainment products. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thanks for watching.